Hello guys, how are you? Hoping you will be enjoying and fantastic in your life. Guys, today I just discussed a very trending topic, and that is re-examination of NEET 2026. Yeah, because in uh, in April the NEET exam was conducted, and after the paper was leaked, after some finding deficiencies in system, then after conducting the exam, many students, many organization, many teachers, and also many parents, many student unions, he just come on the outside and just starting to demonstrated movement, a strike against government, and just asking the resignation of our current education minister Dharmendra Pradhan, because this time our current education minister is Dharmendra Pradhan, and Dharmendra Pradhan is just belongs to Odisha. So all students, all movement striker is just asking the resignation of Indian government and just criticizes the also our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So okay, after a big number of strike and movement, the government was, and also the conducting agency NTA, which was formed in 2018, is decided, and then NEET exam is just cancelled, and then decided again the NEET paper is happening 21st June 2026 in pen and paper mode. But when Dharmendra Pradhan is just conducting a press conference, so in that press conference, Dharmendra Pradhan is just saying a big thing, and that is in next year, from next year, the NEET exam is just conducting as online, like JEE exams, IIT JEE exams. So yeah, it's a big improvements. It's just seeing if the online examination is conducting of NEET exam. So yeah, it's a big thing, because NEET exam, IIT JEE mains exam, any central exam like SSC exam, like railway exam, like UPSC any exam, like IIT JEE advance, these types of examinations, it's just in this examination a lots of aspirants candidate appearing this examination. So it's a big challenge to government, because it's not a single part, it's in this system not involving a small team, a small people of this country. It is the process, because there are many agencies is just working in this process, like a question setter is a different agency, like transporting agency is different, and many management agencies just involvement in this process. So yeah, I think if the NEET exam from 2027 is just conducting on the mode of online, that then it's better, because in every year approx 24 lakh, 25 lakh, and maximum number of aspirants is just appearing in this examination. So yeah, it's a big exam, because when the examination is cancelled, the aspirants is just going in a depression, just doing any step. And many students in this year, when the NEET exam is just cancelled, many students just take a very tough step, and just they suicide, and many students taking suicides. So it's is the situations when the any paper is just cancelled, because many aspirants dream, I just preparing for any exam, I just doing my 100% for exam. One day I give my examination, and and on that date, on the examination date, if you just going to examination center and just appearing the exam and just taking the exam, and after conducting the exam, you just see in the news the examination is the examination paper, many deficiencies is found, the examination paper is just leaked. And then uh, many organization, many student parents is just going outside and just do a strike against government, and then government decided to cancel the examination. So it's a very tough situation, very tough moment for that student who just preparing for harder, who just preparing for in very tough situations, because this is not a single exam, this is the dream of many students. So yeah, it's better if the NEET examination is just conducting in online mode, it's better. And yeah, we see many difference I see in next year 2027, because all railway exam, all SSC exam is just conducting in online. So okay, it's better. And it's a very confusing point, and that is UPSC, because UPSC all maximum exam just conducting paper and pen and paper mode, that means offline, like UPSC CSE, India's toughest exam, UPSC CSE, Union Public Service Commission, and CSE, Civil Services Examination. And this examination three parts is just come, and that is IS, IPS, and IRS. Okay, so if the India's toughest exam, and that is IS exam, IPS exam, IRS exam, is just conducting offline, that means pen and paper mode, and no any deficiencies, and no any discrepancies it found. So why the NEET exam and many other state exams, and also online exam, SSC exam, you just see in recently month, you just see the SSC GD paper is just conducting, and on many center, the center is just finding a very discrepancies. So all the students is just broken the chair, and broken the laptop and many things, and the destroy the center. Because if you just taking a big time, and when the examination is conducting, and if any aspirant and a student just going to taking examination on this center, so if you just finding any discrepancies, so why not to destroy this? It's very very big step. And then I see many videos, the student is just destroying these types of centers equipments, like laptop, like chair, and many things. So yeah, if in online examination is finding the fraudness, so it's just it's just um, deficiencies of uh, this government. Because if government is just want to conducting any exams in very fairness, very cleanness, so why discrepancies and many fault found? Not, it's the uh, it's the mix up the government exams and many other frauders. So then frauders is just uh, doing some fault for only some money, only some uh, resources. Yeah. So yeah, it's not good, but okay. And one thing I just add this, because one thing very special in this examination in 2027, sorry, in 2026, which we're just conducting on 21st June 2026. The NEET examination is very special, and that is all the setters, all the conducting bodies is just isolate. It's the first time in India. It just isolate till when the examination is not conduct, like 21st till 21st June. I say think all the conducting bodies like question paper setter, like traveler, transport, and many things. And one thing is very special: the government is decided for NEET exam 2026, which we just conducted on 21st June. And government is decided the paper, the transportation of paper is just doing the Air Force craft by Air Force craft. So it's very better, and of course this time on 21st June the paper is conducting in very with very fairness and cleanness. So okay, if any aspirants is just to preparing for NEET exam 2026, then you just go your 100, you're just take giving your 100% and just go on 21st June and just giving your examination with very sharply. So okay, I just concluded my conversation this moment, uh, and I see you in next video. So thank you all.